How to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. So if you want to find nearby friends on Snapchat and if you want to add them, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you open your Snapchat, now go to your profile, which will be on the upper left, and now you can scroll down, and here you may have Snap Map, right? So simply tap on the Snap Map, and here you need to turn on your ghost mode. And once you've turned that on, now if you scroll down here, you can simply send your location to your friends, or you can go back, and here you need to tap on your Snap Map and it will take you to the map. So from here you can have all of these persons, so you can simply tap on that person, nearby person, and then you can add them as a friend. So that's how you can find nearby friends on Snapchat by your Snap Map. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.